Hard times come to all of us. They arrive uninvited and often stay longer than we wish. These periods can take many forms. It might be a sudden job loss that shakes your financial security. It could be a long illness that drains your physical energy. It might be a profound sense of loneliness, or a major life change that leaves you feeling adrift. During these moments, the weight of the world can feel crushing. Your usual drive and enthusiasm can vanish completely. You may feel tired before the day even begins. You may feel a deep sadness that colors everything you do. The simple act of starting a task can feel like climbing a mountain. This feeling of being stuck is a common human experience. It is not a sign of weakness or failure. It is a natural response to overwhelming circumstances. Your mind and body are signaling that they are under immense strain. This essay is designed to be your guide. It will not offer complex theories or abstract ideas. Instead, it will provide simple, practical steps. These are small actions you can take today, right now. They are clear and manageable, designed to help you gently reclaim your momentum, one small step at a time. Small, consistent actions are the most powerful force for change. Big, transformative changes can feel paralyzing in hard times. The gap seems too vast to cross, so we focus on the immediate and the achievable. Tiny habits create ripples, building confidence over time. You do not need a sudden burst of heroic motivation to begin. All you need is the willingness to try one small thing. This makes progress accessible to everyone, no matter how tough it feels. We will offer concrete examples for each step, not just concepts, actions you can implement immediately. When you feel overwhelmed, the size of problems is paralyzing. Big goals like find a new job or get completely healthy feel impossibly distant. This is where one small goal comes in. Forget the mountain. Take a single step. A small goal is something you can do in a few minutes. It feels easy to start. One small finish gives immediate accomplishment. Small, tangible victories build motivation. They create a positive feedback loop in your brain. Let's consider a writer with a blank page. Write the book is terrifying. Small goal, write one sentence. That short win breaks inertia. Next day, write for 5 minutes. Tiny targets build momentum that compounds. If your home is overwhelming, don't clean the house, do one dish, fold one item, do one task. You succeeded. Stop worrying about the finish line. Pay attention to the step you're taking now. Each completed step gives a small dopamine reward. That reward nudges you to take the next step. Over time, tiny actions add up. One sentence becomes a paragraph. One dish becomes a clean sink. Slow, real, sustainable progress beats a burst that fades. First action: identify one small goal for today. Look at your biggest challenge. What's the smallest action to move forward? Make it so easy you can't say no. Walk to the end of the driveway and back. Open one email and read it. Chop one vegetable for dinner. Don't judge the size. The goal is proving you can take action. Feel the small victory. Then consider the next small step. In uncertainty, your brain craves structure. A simple routine provides this structure, an anchor. It makes hard days more manageable and secure. You don't need a rigid hour-by-hour plan. Start with a few non-negotiables at roughly the same time. A morning routine sets the tone for the day. For example, wake at the same time, drink a glass of water, write one intention. It may take under 10 minutes but has real impact. Consistency regulates sleep for energy and mood. Hydrating re-energizes body and mind. One small goal prevents drifting. An evening routine helps you wind down. Turn off screens, stretch, write one thing you're grateful for. This signals it's time to rest. Consistency, not perfection. Miss a step? Return tomorrow. Routine reduces decision fatigue and preserves energy, you know. Large, complex tasks are enemies of motivation. Your brain flags them as threats. Stress triggers avoidance. Procrastination happens. Solution: break it down into small, manageable steps. Turn the intimidating into a simple checklist. Move from overwhelming to doable. One powerful technique: the Pomodoro technique. Choose a single task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Work with intense focus, no distractions. When it rings, mark a check and take a 5-minute break. After 4, take a longer break. Study for the final is vague and scary. Break it down. 25 minutes on Chapter 1. Focus only on the textbook. Timer rings. Break. Cycles build visible progress and clarity. You're facing small defined steps, not a monster, you know? During difficult times, it's easy to neglect health, you know? You might skip meals, reach for comfort foods, stop exercising, or let sleep slide. Physical and mental well-being are interconnected. Caring for your body is not a luxury. It sustains motivation and resilience. When fueled and rested, your mind is clearer, mood steadier, energy higher. Start with the basics: food, water, sleep. Simple, nourishing meals. Real foods over processed snacks. Drink water through the day. Fatigue, headaches, brain fog kill motivation. Prioritize sleep with a consistent schedule. Movement is critical, even when it's the last thing you want. A short walk boosts blood flow, releases endorphins, and gives air and light. Even a few minutes of stretching releases tension and clears the mind. Aim for gentle consistency, not perfection. Think of healthy habits as deposits in your energy bank. Bad day? Be kind. Tomorrow, make one small, healthy choice. Hard times can be incredibly isolating, you know. You may fear burdening others, or feel no one will understand. Withdrawal often makes it worse. Humans need connection. Sharing lightens the load and reminds you you're not alone. Reaching out is strength and self-awareness. Support can be a friend, family, or coworker. Professionals help if it's heavy. You can say, "I'm having a really hard time and need someone to listen. Is now a good time?" Groups offer empathy, validation, advice, perspective, and community. If needed, seek a therapist, counselor, or doctor for tools and strategies. Reaching out is a brave, vital step toward healing. Your story is part of a larger human story. Shared experience gives hope. Be clear about what you need. People want to help. Sometimes you don't need solutions, only a compassionate listener and a safe space. Your brain needs positive reinforcement. It must feel that effort pays off. Celebrate small wins. Making your bed, 1 25-minute session. Acknowledge them intentionally. Say, "Good job, I did that." Share a small win to make it real. Crossing an item provides a tactile sense of completion. Small rituals teach your brain that actions matter. Use immediate, enjoyable, healthy rewards after effort. 5 minutes of a song, a cup of tea, step outside, stretch, play with a pet. Pick rewards that uplift rather than drain. Done right, rewards create a sustainable cycle of motivation. You'll be more likely to return and keep moving forward, even on hard days. To bring it together, use a simple, flexible daily plan. Not a rigid schedule, but a gentle framework. On tough days, keep the plan incredibly simple. Just a few key actions. Include something for your mind, body, and spirit. Write it on a sticky note where you'll see it. Morning, wake as yesterday. Before anything, drink a full glass of water. Set one must-do goal for today. Midday, set 25 minutes and work with no distractions. Then take a 5-minute movement break. Complete one low-effort task. Then reward yourself. Reward: a cup of tea or a song. Before bed, write one line. Then inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 4 for 3 minutes. This plan fits low-energy days, yet builds momentum. It includes a small goal, routine, broken down work, movement, rewards, and reflection. Adapt with kindness. Hard times are a journey, not a destination. It's okay to be slowed by struggle. Don't sprint. Keep taking deliberate steps. Each small step builds your way out of the dark. The path becomes clearer with every step. Start with one small, manageable goal. Build a simple routine for structure and safety. Break big work into 25-minute sessions. Fuel with real food, water, movement, and consistent sleep. Reach out. Connection counters despair. Celebrate every small win. Be kind to yourself. Change doesn't wait for a future burst of inspiration. It lies in the small choice you can make right now. You don't have to fix everything. Just do one thing. The future can feel heavy, but the present is manageable. Choose your next small step and take it.